Hey everybody, this is Paul. Welcome to my garage. And you can see we have a grow light here for our rare varieties of dragon fruit. So, the reason why is because it's been in the low 40s in Southern California the last couple nights. And dragon fruit don't like cold weather, especially really sensitive seedlings and things like that. So you can see I have a window in the background. It's kind of blowing out. I open that up in the daytime and then close it. I did close it just for this episode so you can have better lighting. Here's a Desert King seedling, definitely kind of sensitive right here, and it's doing pretty well. So I wanted to continue its growth. I leave this grow light on 24/7 all the time. And here's a brand new Dark Star. I'm trying that to stem cut, but I'm going to try to sprout it or grow it in water. See? So I just did that. Seems to be doing okay. Now, lots of seedlings here. You can see those are reaching towards the window, which definitely show how well they grow indoors. And then all these are really young, kind of small cuttings that I just had to cut from the bottom of the plant. I had various varieties. There's a Maui Dragon, Hana, Sugar Dragon, an unknown one from my neighbor, Pride of Fallbrook, Stenocereus, and more. Hana. But what's most interesting is here, I was growing this guy, this Halley's Comet, under the grow light for quite a long time here. Well, a couple weeks before it was really close, and you could see that kind of grows unique. In my opinion, a little different under the grow light, really spiny, but that thing's doing pretty well. So also I have here some graft experiments. You can see I haven't unbagged that, it's been 10 days. But you can see our seedling's doing pretty well. It's been about 10 or 11 days. It seems to be taking. So I'm going to leave it in the bag until it's been 2 weeks. Also, here's a flat graft of axe, or horizontal graft if you prefer to call it that. And I did have to add some super glue in there. So we'll see how that goes. And I may try to do a super glue graft in the future. I've seen it online with other varieties of plants. So again, definitely in the winter months, use a grow light if you can. They're not that expensive. And your dragon fruit will be happy. So give them plenty of, I think temperature is just as important or more important than sunlight or lighting. So keeping them indoors during these cold times, especially if they're young or small cuttings like this, I think they will root faster and definitely not get killed in the frost. So there you go. Give us a like and a subscribe. And there's our little winter setup in the garage using a grow light. All right, have a wonderful day. Take care. Dude, it's creepy.